Welcome to VoroMotors. In this video, we'll be walking through possible solutions for stem wobble on your Dualtron scooter.
Wobbly stems can be a pretty common issue and can happen due to usage of the folding mechanism over time. You will notice your stem may need some attention if it feels loose and unstable, rocking back and forth. When your stem wobbles, it might sound something like this. Thankfully, the solutions to this problem can be pretty simple and easily done at home. So let's get started. We'll be using 3 and 5 mm Allen keys, a 10 mm wrench, WD-40, and wipes, which are optional.
Now, before we move on, it is important to remember that this is a trial and error process. Remember to stop along the way, give your scooter a light rocking test to make sure it is not too loose or too tight by the time you're done.
If your scooter has a light wobble, but is not necessarily loose, you might just need to lubricate the folding mechanism, as there may be some particles in there causing friction. While the stem is at an upright position, use the 5 mm Allen key and your wrench to unscrew these bolts along the base of your stem. After that's been loosened, carefully fold down your stem, disconnecting it from the base and setting it down. After cleaning your surface, apply the lubricant inside, at the base of the stem, and around the hinge screw on the opposite end. Then, just reattach the stem to the base, tighten those bolts, and you should be good to go. If you're dealing with more aggressive wobbling, or if the first steps haven't fully gotten rid of your problem yet, you might need to make adjustments to the bolts and clamps around the folding mechanism. We're going to start with the hinge bolt, located inside the folding mechanism. Even though it slows down the process, it's important to stick to very small adjustments at a time, and simply repeat as many times as necessary until you reach the desired tightness. Next, we'll be moving on to the quick release clamps. For this, we recommend keeping the stem in an upright position. To tighten the clamps, turn the smaller knobs on the left side of the clamp clockwise. Sticking with the small adjustments, go back and retighten the top and bottom clamps simultaneously to ensure they're both tightened just the same. Again, remember to stop along the way and check to see how your scooter's stem feels.
After greasing and tightening, your scooter should feel stable, secure, and free of any cracking noises. However, if the problem persists, it might be time to replace some worn-out parts. Dualtron suggests a replacement cycle for any parts that might be worn out with usage.
As far as stem wobble goes, you will want to make sure that these parts are still within the suggested lifespan. If, however, it's time for a replacement, feel free to reach out to us directly and we can further assist you with that process as well.
Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we've been able to help you get back out there with your scooter safe and secure.
When you get a Dualtron scooter from us, you get access to awesome benefits. You get 10% off Dualtron accessories and spare parts, a dedicated customer support team member's help whenever you need it, plus you get access to approved modification tutorials that don't void your warranty. For full details, check out our Dualtron Insider page today. Do you have any questions? Please leave them below this video or head over to one of our Facebook groups. You can find all these links in the description below. Thank you for watching.